The information presented in this channel is compiled with the assistance of AI, public sources, and independent analysis. While every effort is made to ensure accuracy, information may contain omissions, inaccuracies, or interpretations. Content is provided solely for educational, case study, commentary, and entertainment purposes and should not be considered financial, investment, legal, or professional advice. Take a quick second to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an operational breakdown. How does Tesla fix your car before you even notice it's broken? Based on telemetry-driven predictive diagnostics. What is Tesla's new Hey Grok AI companion actually tracking inside your cabin? Based on the mid-2026 conversational assistant integration. How can your parked Tesla quietly pay off your monthly bills? Based on the virtual power plant co-producer cash payouts. Why is Tesla completely replacing human customer service with a smartphone app? Based on automated, low-touch digital onboarding. What happens to your personal preferences when you step into someone else's Robotaxi? Based on cross-vehicle passenger profile cloud continuity. How does your daily driving safety score secretly control your software features? Based on gamified autonomy tracking and safety score volatility. Why do everyday Tesla owners voluntarily act as a free, unpaid sales force? Based on the co-creative community alignment of Tesla owners clubs. How can a single public post on X fundamentally rewrite your car's code overnight? Based on the direct executive-to-consumer feedback channel. Where is the boundary between helpful vehicle diagnostics and invasive driver spying? Based on the strategic question regarding user telemetry tracking boundaries. What happens to consumer trust when a driverless vehicle makes a high-profile mistake? Based on crisis management and protecting brand equity during autonomous edge cases. How will Tesla maintain its premium luxury status while selling to the mass public? Based on the transition from an exclusive luxury club to a mass-market utility. Why is Tesla forcing a post-intervention survey onto its drivers? Based on the urgent deployment of user query screens in FSD-V14. How does Tesla use a 30-day free FSD trial to trick your brain into subscribing? Based on targeting high-safety users during park charging sessions. What happens to your car's warranty when you rent it out to Elon's Robotaxi network? Based on the strategic relationship structure for shared customer vehicles. Why are legacy automotive dealerships absolutely terrified of Tesla's checkout screen? Based on eradicating the adversarial, high-pressure negotiation model. Pillar 4. Customer relationships. Tesla completely flips the traditional auto-customer relationship model, moving from high-pressure negotiation to automated self-service, deep software gamification, and collective energy ecosystem partnerships. 8 case studies in customer relationships. 1. Automated, low-touch digital onboarding eradicated the adversarial relationship structure typical of legacy car dealerships. The vehicle ordering process uses a transparent pricing layout, making customer interactions uniform, predictable, and stress-free. 2. Co-creative community brand advocacy leverages the global network of official Tesla owners clubs. These passion-driven, organic communities serve as decentralized, unpaid sales forces, coordinating local test drive meetups and onboarding new buyers without corporate ad spend. 3. The direct executive-to-consumer feedback channel uses public communications on platforms like X to allow executive responses to directly influence product priorities. This creates a powerful relationship dynamic where everyday user requests are converted into real vehicle software features. 4. Telemetry-driven predictive diagnostics builds a proactive relationship model where the car self-monitors performance data. If a component registers unusual wear patterns, the vehicle automatically pre-alerts the service center and orders the correct replacement part before the owner even notices an issue. 5. The in-vehicle conversational AI companion, Hey Grok launch re-engineered the driver-to-vehicle connection via recent mid-2026 software updates. This integration turns the car from a passive tool into an active, context-aware digital assistant capable of setting location-targeted reminders and answering complex queries. 6. The co-producer virtual power plant (VPP) relationship transforms residential energy users into active financial grid partners. Through integrated software, homeowners allow Tesla to dispatch their stored Powerwall energy during grid strain, earning automated cash payouts and turning customers into active energy allies. 7. Cross-vehicle passenger profile continuity preserves personalization settings within the expanding autonomous Robotaxi ecosystem. A rider's unique seat layout, temperature preferences, and audio streaming accounts automatically sync to any driverless vehicle they step into via their digital profile. 8. Gamified autonomy and safety tracking leverages the built-in self-driving app dashboard to show real-world safety scores, distance traveled without human intervention, and historical safety metrics, keeping drivers engaged with the technology's evolution. For open-ended strategic questions, how can Tesla maintain its passionate, community-driven brand loyalty when transitioning from an exclusive, high-status luxury club into a mass-market utility provider? What strategies can protect customer trust when an autonomous vehicle encounters an unavoidable edge case driving error that generates negative public attention? How will Tesla structure its long-term relationship with vehicle owners who choose to rent out their personal cars to the shared Robotaxi network? Where is the boundary between helpful, proactive predictive vehicle diagnostics and invasive user telemetry tracking within software-defined transit? For foundational explanations, the automated self-service paradox, moving relationship touchpoints into an app reduces overhead costs and eliminates human error, but it requires highly intuitive user interfaces to keep customers from feeling isolated when things go wrong. Radical transparency as a trust anchor. Publicly tracking FSD miles driven without intervention builds a data-driven relationship with the public, shifting safety arguments away from opinions and onto verified statistics. Decentralized value co-creation. When users actively log autonomous system intervention causes, they are co-developing the core product alongside Tesla's engineering teams, driving high long-term brand investment. Hardware-enabled financial dividends. Paying consumers real money for their home storage power shifts the customer relationship from a standard cost center expense into an ongoing revenue-generating partnership. For strategic implementation plans. Autonomous fleet owner management systems. Build out a comprehensive, automated enterprise portal allowing private fleet operators to manage vehicle cleanings, track payout shares, and monitor vehicle locations. Hyper-personalized voice AI onboarding. Expand the capabilities of the Hey Grok voice engine to guide new owners through vehicle features in real time during their first week of ownership. Formalized virtual power plant payout structures. Streamline direct deposit monthly payouts within the mobile app for energy customers participating in regional grid stabilization events. Localized charging community initiatives. Partner with regional Tesla owners clubs to establish community-led upkeep programs for high-traffic supercharger locations. For core implementation processes. Automated support escalation via telemetry logs, using real-time vehicle error codes to instantly triage app-submitted customer support chats, routing critical hardware issues straight to nearby repair teams. Global passenger profile synchronization. Securing fast, end-to-end cloud profiles so a rider's personal settings deploy inside an automated vehicle seconds after booking a trip. Structured FSD intervention data ingestion, gathering, cleaning, and sorting driver disengagement video clips uploaded by users to continuously train vision neural networks. Crisis management communication orchestration, deploying immediate, factual data updates to the public following any high-profile autonomous incidents to maintain trust in autopilot safety. For actionable recommendations. Introduce loyalty profile porting. Allow returning buyers to transfer their accumulated driver safety rankings and personalized UI preferences seamlessly into any new Tesla vehicle they purchase. Build dedicated service communication channels. Decouple critical customer service operations from executive social media accounts by building out structured, high-touch support responses within the official app. Incentivize high-quality intervention tagging. Reward owners who submit highly detailed descriptions of complex driving disengagements with complimentary supercharging credits or premium app connectivity. Launch multi-tier subscription rewards. Offer bundled software savings, such as a combined FSD, premium connectivity, and home energy monitoring package, to increase user lifetime value. For urgent to-do items. Roll out the post-intervention user query screen across all vehicles using FSD v14 to collect clear human context on system disengagements. Minimize customer support wait times for users utilizing the new unsupervised ride-hailing services in major Texas pilot cities. Redesign and simplify the app-based lease return process to remove vehicle inspection disputes and drop-off friction. Allocate structured corporate development budgets to support local Tesla owners' club education events and charging site meetups. For practical analytical techniques: intervention text mining analysis, running natural language processing algorithms on user-submitted disengagement descriptions to prioritize engineering focus on common edge cases. Safety score volatility tracking, monitoring shifts in fleet safety scores over time to see if adjustments to driver monitoring camera sensitivities reduce user frustration. Digital touchpoint friction auditing, measuring the precise number of screens and inputs required for a customer to book a mobile service appointment within the application. LTV to CAC ratio optimization, evaluating the long-term financial return of recurring software subscriptions against the low cost of acquiring direct web-based orders. For concrete operational steps: 1. Filter the customer support database to isolate a cohort of users who have requested human assistance more than twice following an FSD intervention. 2. Build a clear, short educational video series detailing the optimal settings for supervised autonomous lane changes and intersection handling. 3. Push this educational guide directly to the target cohort via an in-app notification card during their next park charging session. 4. Track the support ticket rates of this specific group over the following 30 days to measure the effectiveness of the targeted training push. Channels and customer relationships interaction. To visualize how these two pillars work together to drive both vehicle sales and software adoption, the matrix below highlights how specific distribution channels support distinct relational strategies. Physical or digital channel relational strategy target metric. Tesla mobile app automated self-service or upgrade purchasing add-on feature conversions, FSD, premium data. Robotaxi interface continuous profile syncing and microbilling system utilization rate per urban zone. Supercharger grid community integration and peace of mind reduced vehicle range anxiety metrics. Over-the-air, OTA, infrastructure co-creation or rapid software updates faster intervention-free mileage streaks. Want to deep dive into the business frameworks rewriting the rules of the global economy? If you found this case study analysis valuable, please take a quick second to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out when our next corporate teardown drops. Check the links in the description below right now to download your free study materials and hands-on handouts to master this canvas yourself. While you are down there, click through to get immediate access to our free, advanced chapter, online tutorials for an exclusive look at the operational blueprints behind these systems. If you have any fellow creators, entrepreneurs, or friends who are building their own projects, please share this video with friends who might need it. The information presented in this channel is compiled with the assistance of AI, public sources, and independent analysis. While every effort is made to ensure accuracy, information may contain omissions, inaccuracies, or interpretations. Content is provided solely for educational, case study, commentary, and entertainment purposes and should not be considered financial, investment, legal, or professional advice.